Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to enable infinite scroll in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. Well, knowing how to enable infinite scrolling in the DuckduckGo application can enhance your browsing experience by allowing you to continuously scroll through a page without having to click on pagination buttons. This can make it more convenient to explore content and find relevant information quickly. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open DuckduckGo application. After that, try to opening a new website on this application. And then click this icon. Well, so now look for infinite scroll and then activate it by tapping the button here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable infinite scroll in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.